Hello, everyone, and welcome to Whiteboard Wednesday. I just wanted to give a shout out to everyone on this upcoming Memorial Day weekend and all the fun and things that are going to happen, barbecues and drinks that'll be had, and family time being shared, which is super important, especially here as our agency, as we have a team and family culture. That's how we work. Wanted to just say, enjoy your time. Take the time and feel unbelievable in what's going on with the COVID in the year, and hopefully you can take some time and reflect from the last year at this point where we were, how much better we are this year compared to last year, and how much better it's going to be. So always being positive, staying in mind, and focused on the future and the great things to happen. And again, just want to wish you a safe, happy holidays, and we will see you next Wednesday.